following message is transmitted at the request of the Sacramento Police Department. This is a message regarding an unusual event occurring on television channels on Disney Junior. A report of a bloody Mickey Mouse face is reported on all televisions in Sacramento. We have no idea what the face is, but this can possibly be the colorful suicide mouse face that was reported at least since in 1931, where a show Suicide Mouse existed. It is unknown what the face is, but it is a 99.8% chance this is Suicide Mouse. We have more information coming up soon. Please stand by for more activations of the emergency alert system.